I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. It is midnight and I'm now starting my hair. Like, you guys, I don't get it. I don't get it. But let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and in today's video, we are doing our first wash and style in this TWA. TWA? Yeah. TWA, guys, teeny weeny afro. If you guys have not caught up yet, I have cut my hair and returned natural. So as I take out my braids, let's get into it. So there are many reasons why I returned natural, but I think the most compelling reason was because I was looking back at my pictures and I was seeing how my hair was looking back in 2023. And y'all, my hair was so healthy, it was so long, it was shiny. It was probably the best my natural hair has ever been since I started taking care of my hair. And I also think I missed the styles that I used to do on my hair and like the fullness and the length that I had when I was natural. Like all of that, I literally wanted it back, and I wasn't getting that when I was relaxing my hair at all. Now mind you, I loved my hair relaxed. Like those were the golden days, like not having to worry about different hairstyles. I could wake up a little bit later and just brush up my hair and go. But I just really missed the kinkiness and the fullness of my natural hair, especially because I was natural for 31 years. 31 years is a big chunk of my life, so being relaxed for 2 years made me miss what I had. But being natural for 31 years, you kind of revert to what you are comfortable with and what you know. Even though I was comfortable with relaxed hair because I grew my hair very long in a good amount of time, I just missed my natural hair, y'all. So that's the reason why I'm back natural. My hair is super short and super uneven, but that doesn't really matter to me because my hair is gonna be living in braids for the next 12 months. So this is what she is looking like, y'all. So we're going in with the Olaplex system. Usually, I've only done this when my hair was relaxed. So this is gonna be my first time doing it while I have type 4 hair. And I'm super excited because while I had like the new growth, I realized some things when I was using this product or this brand. So I'm gonna share it with you guys, especially if you guys have type 3 and 4 hair. The way the instructions say to use it is not gonna be the best way for our hair type. So I'm gonna show you guys what I learned and how to maximize this product line for our type of hair. First off, so I just want to say before I proceed with telling you guys what I did, use this method at your own discretion. If this is your first time doing Olaplex, I suggest you try out the way that is marked on the bottle, the instructions, before you guys go off and do different methods. I've tried this Olaplex treatment 1,001 times, and this is what works for me. And what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you may not work for me. So again, try at your own discretion and find the method that works best. Bye! With the number 0, which is the intensive bond building hair treatment, they say for this one to spray your hair when it's dry. No, that's not what we're doing here. In our area, we actually have to go in first with a clarifying shampoo. You guys, this clarifying shampoo will strip our hair of all the oils and dirt that is in it. That way the treatment for number 0 could actually penetrate our hair and actually do what it's supposed to do. Because our hair is heavier with oils, grease, shea butters, etc, etc, we need to clarify our hair first to make sure that the treatment actually gets to our hair shaft. And one thing that I did that actually made a big difference, what I did number 0 and number 3, was I put a heating cap or a plastic cap over my head and I let it set for about 15 to 20 minutes. The instructions say 10 minutes, but again, our hair is coarser, so our hair is gonna need more time to process what we put on it. So I would suggest leaving it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, probably even 25, to make sure we get the full benefit. And then we can wash off our hair with the number 4 and the number 5. We could use number 4 and number 5 honestly the same way. It's just a regular shampoo and conditioner, nothing too special with it. I would say that the shampoo number 4 is really thick, so a little goes a long way with that, and it does make your hair a little bit dry, or at least it makes my hair a little bit dry. So when I go in with the number 5, I go in with the number 5 once, and then I always follow through with a deep conditioner, y'all. That was the secret that made my hair grow and stay really strong. So whenever I do an Olaplex treatment, I always try to go in with a deep conditioner, and this is a Care number 2 Humecto Cream Conditioner. I love this so bad. It is so freaking good. I have the big tub, and I have the big tub because I like what I see when I do this. So I go in with this for about 20 minutes underneath the heated dryer if I have time. If not, I just put my hair over under a plastic cap, and I just let the natural heat from my scalp penetrate my hair. And you guys, my hair feels so silky. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. So I would highly suggest you try a deep conditioner after you shampoo and condition your hair. And that is literally what I do when I do an Olaplex system treatment. I have to make sure I clarify my hair first, and I go in with a deep conditioner. And you guys, if it sounds like I have a heavier list, it's because I have my Invisaligns in. I just got them on Friday, and I actually had Invisaligns twice. This one's just like a refinement because the retention for my previous ones was shit. Like, it was so bad. So I had to get a refinement, and this is why I have like a little bit of a lisp. So bear with me, okay? You guys have seen me use the Olaplex system about 5 times on this channel, so I'm not gonna record. I'm just gonna go wash it and come back and show you guys the results. And if you guys have not seen the videos, here's one, here's another one, here's another one, here's another one, here's another one. Make sure you guys watch it. Alright y'all, so it is 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm so tired, but I finished my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It feels so good, honestly. When I was washing out the, oh my gosh, something in my face. Okay, it feels so good when I was washing off the conditioner. But this is how she looks now. I'm actually gonna show you guys first what I'm putting in my hair to protect my hair and moisturize my hair. It's gonna be the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. This is by Fenty Hair. Go. And then I'm gonna put in the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Love this line, y'all. This line is so tea, so good. Also the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This one has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I used to use this all the time when I was natural, so I'm bringing it back because it's so good. And I also got the Way Scalp Serum. I want to see how this works. I know scalp serums are different than hair serums, but I'm focusing more on scalp health, because once your scalp is healthy, your hair will grow. So this is how she looks like. She's a good sized bottle, actually. Pretty good. So that's what I'm gonna put in my hair and braid it back, because I'm putting in a protective hairstyle. So I'm so excited because I haven't done one of these protective hairstyles in a while. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so I am done braiding my hair back. I know it is not the best, but y'all, it is like 5 o'clock at night. I am tired. And I'm gonna finish up my hair in the morning. So see you in the morning, y'all.